Hi, this is James Denman with PressOn Systems. We're here at InfoComm 2026 and want to show you a little bit of the product that we're debuting here. It's called the MB1 from PressOn Systems. It's basically a software product, and what it allows small churches to do is the end user would see this. They can come in, they can turn, say, service is starting, and they can control the volume. But on the back end is where it gets really interesting. In our network operations center, our technicians would be monitoring all of the devices that are online, wherever they may be, and then if a fault or some issue comes up, they get an alert and can dial straight into that particular location and possibly solve the problem. If they can't, then they immediately send out a request for a service call to the local integrator that was the dealer that installed this piece, and it can work with any networked audiovisual equipment that's out there. We can interface with it, we can see what's going on with it, monitor it, and provide control as well for in-house audio and for streaming audio right now, completely automated, and look for more to come in the near future.